Hi, this is my 1981 Murray mini bike 200cc, and this was used for racing. I had a new sprocket and chain kit installed on this thing, and I believe 3 years ago, but it still will run. And it's like it's new. Racing pegs, everything. Gas tank is in good condition. Nice handlebars and everything. And we'll wrap up around there. Kill switch. And number 2, they call it a mini racer, or number 2. It runs beautifully, and I really wish I could start it, but my dad would definitely say no, and I love it. It had a mud flap on the front, but we took that off because it looked stupid. I just felt like showing this to someone, and I wish I could ride this again. Maybe like in a week or so I might be able to. And no, this is not for sale, and thank you, YouTube.